Hi.
While as a software developer, what challenges lead you to discover 360 plus daily joint care?
My job demands a lot of sitting, staring at the screen and typing non-stop. And because of that, over the years, I developed pain in my neck, back and shoulders. बात यहाँ तक पहुँच गई कि by the end of the day, I could struggle to, stretch or sit upright without discomfort. One day, during late night debugging session, I realized that my fingers and wrist were aching more than usual. And that time I understood that it was not a normal, stiffness or normal pain. It was my body signaling for help.
How did 360 plus daily joint care and protect became part of your routine?
इंटरनेट पर रिसर्च करते हुए आई केम अक्रॉस द एड फॉर 360 प्लस डेली जॉइंट केयर एंड प्रोटेक्ट. आई डिड माई रिसर्च and I was really impressed. This formulation is not a random mix. It's very thoughtfully crafted. I studied each and every ingredient and I was really satisfied. It provides exactly what is needed for bone and joint health.
What impressed you most about 360 plus daily joint care?
The first thing I noticed was improvement in my mobility. वो जो सुबह वाला stiffness था ना, that was gone. And my fingers and wrists, they felt stronger. And there was no pain in my back even after long coding sessions.
What impressed you most about 360 plus daily joint care?
It's all in one factor. I don't need a stack of supplements for calcium, magnesium or omega-3. ये एक में ही सब कुछ है. And for a busy professional like me, it's such a blessing. And the best part is that it's so gentle on the body without any side effects.
Who would benefit from taking this supplement?
Anyone above the age of 45 can start having it. Because after that age, the wear and tear in your bones start happening without even you realizing it. Prevention is better than cure. I always recommend 360 plus daily joint care and protect for all those who are really serious about staying independent and active. Just one tablet a day and stiffness or joint pain se protection.